Hi everybody, Jim Second from KSTHL Labels. So let me talk about the custom labels for clothing or the label style always with neck label, neck on the back of the neck label, and this is underfold. This is underfold label, and some with centerfold like this for the centerfold for our side of clothing, like here, and with also some man label also with like a straight cut and underfold. The man label always put our out of the coats or short. Of course, we don't have the big labels, but like the short coats, some the coats. So we always with the big size, the woven labels, maybe the inside of our clothes and maybe also all outside. Also some jacket, with some jacket we have the big part labeled on the back of the clothing. So the labels, the label woven label with so many styles. So the exact style that's depend on your kinds of the clothing styles. So what's the style of your clothing? So we will match the exact labels. Thank you. Bye.